Very good morning, children. So, in the last class, I explained some of the items of AP. Some of the items of AP. Some of the first natural numbers. Some of the first natural numbers is Sn or sigma n. Some of the first n natural numbers. Sn or sigma n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. This we have derived in the last class. Some of the first n natural numbers. Some of the first n natural numbers, sigma n, the sum of the first n natural numbers represented by sigma n or Sn, that equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, when you speak about the AP, the sum of the n terms of AP, the sum of the n terms of AP formula also we derived in the last class, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula also we have derived. And also this formula can be written as some another way, n by 2 into 2a can be written as a plus a. 2a can be written as a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. So till we know this, n by 2 into a, this is last term. The last term is what? Last term or nth term is the same. As I told you in the last class that the last term or nth term is the same. What is the nth term of AP? A plus n minus 1 into d. Also it is called last term. So a plus n minus 1 into d means an or n. Like this also. N by 2 into a plus n. Some of the n terms of AP formula is n by 2 bracket begin 2a plus n minus 1 into d or n by 2 into a plus n, where a is the first term, n is the last term or nth term of AP. These taught in the last class. Okay, I hope we clearly understood. Now I asked to do exercise 6.3 problems. Exercise 6.3 problems also, 1-2 problems I gave you. Now we'll see exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Exercise 6.3. Find the sum of the following APs 2, 7, 12 to 10 times. Find the sum to given below. I hope we clearly understood these two problems over. Two problems over. Third problem. First two problems I asked to do. Third problem. In an AP, first bit, given A equal to 5, B equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, find N and Sn. Okay. So here, in an AP given A is equal to 5 given. First term is 5, B common difference 3, AN means nth term or last term 50. Find n and Sn. So here Sn. An is how much? First find out. An is equal to 50. An is equal to 50. An formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 50. Substitute A value 5 plus n minus 1 d. D value is 3. That equal to 50. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50 plus 5 shift right side becomes minus 5. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. We want n minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 45. N minus 1 into 3 into becomes divided by 3. 3 1 3 15 45. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 50 minus 1 shift right side becomes plus 1. N is equal to 16. So we got 16. Here they asked to find n. We got n value. Now Sn find out. Sn formula. What we have here? Last time we have. We have last time. An is equal to 50. An or n. An or n is equal to 50. And n is equal to what you got? 16. Sn find out. A is equal to also given. A is equal to how much given? 5. Formula, direct formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. What is n? 60 by 2, a plus n, a 5, n is 50. So 2 1 2 8 is 60, 8 into 5 plus 50, 55. 8 5 is 40, 0 4 carry, 8 5 is 40, 40. So sum of the n terms Sn is equal to how much got? 440. Like this you can find it. You can find the n value and sum of the n terms. Now I go for the second bit here in this second bit. In this third second bit, given a equal to 7, a 30 is equal to 35. Find d and s13. S13 means sum of the 13 terms. Sum of the 13 terms. Okay. Here let us do a equal to 7, a 13 equal to 35. So a 13 equal to how much given? 5. What is the 13th term in AP? A plus 12d. A plus 12d. You know that in the nth formula a plus n minus 1 d, put n is equal to 13, you will get a plus 12d. What is the 13th term in AP? A plus 12d is equal to 35. Substitute a value here 7 plus 12d is equal to 35. So 12d is equal to 35 plus 7 should be right side minus 7. 12d is equal to 35 minus 7. How much? 28. 28. Is it correct? 28? 35 minus 7. Yes. 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. A is A13. 13th term of AP is A plus 12D is equal to 35. A7 plus 12D equal to 35. 12D is equal to 35 plus minus 7. 28. D is equal to 28 by 12. 4 3 is 4 7 is 28. D equal to how much got? 7 by 2. Find S13. Sum of the 13 terms. We know the formula. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S13. Put n is equal to 13. 13 by 2 into 2 into a. A value how much? 7 plus n minus 1. 13 minus 1 into d value got 7 by. Now 13 by 2 into 2 7 is 14. 13 minus 1 12. 12 into 7 by 2. 3 1 is 3 4 is 12. So 13 by 2 into 14 plus 4 7 is 28. So here S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into 14 plus 28 42. 40 1 is equal to 13 13 13 plus 26 273. So sum of the 13 terms is 273. I hope you clearly understood children. Next question. Like this, you can do all these problems. Okay? Same models. Okay? Third bit. We start with given A12 equal to 37, D equal to 3. Find A and S12. S12. So here, given that A12 equal to 37. What is the 12th term of AP? A plus 11D. A plus 11D equal to 37. What is A value? Don't know A value. A plus 11. D value is given 3 equal to 37. A plus 11 3 is 33 equal to 37. A is equal to 37 plus 33. Carry left side, it becomes minus 33. A equal to 4 you got. Now find A. A got 4. S12 find out. S12. So Sn formula right now. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S12. Put n is equal to 12. 12 by 2 into 2 into A. A value is 4 plus n minus 12 minus 1 into D. D value is 3. So 2 1 2 6 are 6 into 2 4 8. 12 minus 1 11. 11 3 are 30. So 6 into how much? 41. 33 plus 8 41. 6 1 is 6. 6 4 is 25. 246. S12 is 246. Now I go for the fourth bit. Given A3 is 15, S10 is 25, and find D and A10. Fourth bit given A3 is equal to 15, S10 equal to 125, find D and A10. Yes, here A3 given, A3 and S10 125, S10 equal to 125. A3 is 15, S10 is 125. Find D and A10. Okay. A3 equal to 15. A3 is what? A plus 12D is equal to 15. S10 means n is equal to how much here? 10. S10, Sn, n is equal to how much? 10 times of n is equal to 10. Isn't it? So A plus 12D like this, you keep like this. Now S10 given. Sn formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. This is Sn is equal to n by 2 into Sn formula S10. Sum of the 10 times is 125. Sn formula is what? N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. S10. Put n is equal to 10. Put n is equal to 10. 10 by 2 to 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So is equal to S10 is equal to how much? 125. So 2 10 5 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 9 9D is equal to 125. Now 2A plus 9D is equal to 125. The into becomes divided by 5. 5 2 so 5 5. So 2A plus 9D is equal to 25. This is second equation. Already we have first equation here. This is the second equation. By solving 1 and 2, either elimination method or substitution method, as you learned in the fourth chapter. These all methods. So by solving 1 and 2, by solving 1 and first equation is a plus 12b is equal to 15. Second equation is 2a plus 9b is equal to 25. So first equation multiplied by second equation a coefficient, second equation multiplied by first equation a coefficient 1. To make the equal coefficients, we are doing first equation multiplied by 2a, 2 12 is 24d, 2 15 is 30. Second equation multiplied by 1, 2a, 9d, 25. So change the signs, minus, 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 plus 2a, minus 2a, plus 24d minus 9d, plus 24d minus 9d, 15d is equal to 30 minus 25, 5. D is equal to 5 by 15, 5 1 is 5. D equal to 1 by 3. Substituting D either first or second. Substituting D equal to 1 by 3 in first equation. First equation is a plus 12d equal to 15. A plus 12 into d is 1 by 3 is equal to 15. 3 1 is 3 4. A plus 4 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 minus 4. A is equal to 11. We got A equal to 11. So we got D value. D equal to 20. He asked to find A10. He asked to find A10. So we know that A10 is 10. A10 is equal to what? A plus 9D. A plus 9D. What is A value? 11. Plus 9 into D. D value is how much? 1 by 3. 3 1 is 3. So 11 plus 3 1 is 3. That is equal to 40. So A10, the 10th term means 40. I hope we clearly understood it. Okay. Very interesting problem. Beautiful problem. So, like that, in this question, you do remaining all. I go for 7th bit. Last bit I will explain. 7th bit. 7th bit. Okay. 7th bit I will explain. Third 7th bit. Third 7th bit. Given L is equal to 28. L means last time I wrote that. S is equal to sum of the terms 144. And there are total 9 terms. And there are total 9 terms. 5A. 5A. How many terms are there? Total 9 terms are there. 9 terms are there. N is equal to 10. Sum of the 10 terms. This is 44. Here we have. So, S9 equal to 144. Sn is equal to 144. Sn formula n by 2 into a plus n is equal to 144. N 9 by 2 a plus n. L is 28 is equal to 144. So a plus 28 is equal to 144 into 9 by 2 becomes 2 by 9. 9 16 is 144. A plus 28 is equal to 16 to 32. A is equal to 32. minus 28. A is equal to 12. So got it. This is it. I hope clearly understood. Okay, children, thank you. I hope you clearly understood. You do rest of the problems. You try next problems. We will see in the next session. We will see in the next session. Thank you.